How to turn off Proxy on Android. In order to do that, you may follow these methods. So open up your settings on your device. And then once you open up settings, head over to connections. After you are there, head over to Wi-Fi and head over to the internet that you're connected to. For example, this, and tap on gear icon. After you tap on gear icon here, you will be finding your internet details. You may tap on advanced settings, or if you have view more option, tap on it. After you drop it down here under the settings, we will be finding proxy option. So you may go ahead and tap on that option first. And after tapping on it, if you have selected manual, or if you have selected the option auto config and enable the proxy, what you can do is simply tap on proxy and tap on none. After that, it will basically disable proxy for your device, your Android device. You may tap on the save in the bottom right corner and hit back. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.